Subarray with given sum. This is one of the important questions of topic array. This question was asked in the coding rounds of Amazon, Facebook and Google. Now you can understand the importance of this question. Let's start and understand how to solve it. Now let's see the input and output of this question. They have given us the array of integers, n as the size of the array, and s the sum of the subarray that we need to check. Now in this sample input and output, we can see that the sum of the element from position 2nd to position 4th gives us the sum 12, that is the given s. So the output is 2 and 4. Let's see another sample input and output. Here the only change is the s is equal to 20. Now when we see in the complete array, there is no subarray which gives us the sum 20. That means that subarray doesn't exist. So the output will be -1 here. Now let's see how can we solve this question efficiently. First, we will iterate the array. We will keep adding the element to the variable sum. Now we can see in the step 1 the value of sum is 1. In step 2 it gets 3. Step 3 it gets 6. In step 4 the value of sum becomes 13. Now 13 is greater than the variable s. So at that condition, when the sum is greater than the s, we subtract the value from the starting of the array to make it equal to the s. Now let's step into the code. I have divided the code in several steps. Let's see the step 1. In step 1, we'll be initializing the required elements. First, we'll initialize the list. Then we'll create 3 variables: sum, start and flag. Now in step 2, we will use the for loop to iterate the array. Step 3, we'll check if the sum is less than s. We will add the element at that particular index to the variable sum. Then we'll run the while loop. In the while loop, we check if the value of sum is greater than s. If the value of sum is greater than s, we'll subtract the element at the starting index from the sum. This is how we have seen in the previous slide. Now we'll check if sum equals the variable s, then we'll put the flag equal to 1 and we'll add the index of starting point and the ith index in the list. Then we will break out of the loop. Now after coming out of the loop, we'll check if the value of flag is 0 or 1. If the value of flag is 0, that means there is no subarray exists with that particular sum. So we'll add the value -1 into the list. And the last step is step 7, where we return the list.